Hi, welcome to this video. You can make audio calls on an iPhone without a SIM card or phone number by using FaceTime audio over a Wi-Fi connection linked to your Apple ID email address. So go and open your settings, right, on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap apps, then select FaceTime or search for FaceTime. Right? Make sure FaceTime is turned on, the FaceTime switch. Under you can be reached at, right? You can see that you can choose your phone number, right? I have two phone numbers and an email, so make sure to include your email address linked to your Apple account instead of a phone number. Now you can go ahead and open the phone app or contacts, right, and select the person you want to call, right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just choose FaceTime audio, right, or FaceTime video. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next